Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thought of the day to speak in the school morning assembly and how to present the thought in the school morning assembly. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anaya from class 6. Thought of the day is anything that makes weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject it as poison by Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda said that our body is the conveyance of our soul. An unhealthy body limits action, diminish power, and obstruct the capability to serve others. Swami Vivekananda said that anything that diminishes our strength, our body, our mind should be avoided as it is toxic to our entire growth. Dear friends, let's inculcate proper nourishment, exercise, and discipline in our lifestyle to nurture life. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.